To change the keypad's basic settings, first click on the Program button. Then, scroll down to Keypad Settings and click on the Select key. There we have three options: temperature unit, language, and display. To change temperature unit, just put the cursor over it and click on the Select key. Then, use the up and down key to modify the option. And confirm changes with the Select key. Same process is used for language. In our example, we are using a version that is not supporting all currently available languages. Again, confirm selection with the Select key. Same process is used for display. This option is normally used during maintenance, when it can be useful to have the display upside down. To return to main screen, simply use the back key.